This is Calm Command Coaching for customer service, leadership, strategy, and professional growth. Let's face it, bad customer service drives customers away fast. So many businesses are losing clients and they don't even know why. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple ways to fix your customer service and keep customers coming back. Many businesses struggle with customer service, but the real problem isn't always what it seems. The truth is, your customer service might be failing because your team lacks clarity, consistency, and empathy. Customers can sense when they're just another number. So how do you fix it? Start with these 3 steps. Step 1. Train your team to listen actively. Most complaints stem from customers feeling unheard. Active listening shows respect and builds trust. Step 2. Create a consistent service standard. Make sure every team member knows how to respond to complaints, follow up, and communicate. Consistency builds confidence. Step 3. Empower your team. Equip them with the tools and authority to solve problems on the spot. When employees feel supported, they take initiative, and that changes everything. Don't wait for a crisis to make a change. With these 3 steps, you can turn failing service into customer loyalty that lasts. Thanks for joining me here at Calm Command Coaching. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more calm insights that lead to powerful results. See you in the next video.